months ago, I started drinking coffee again. I quickly got tired of the box of just random K-Cups. So, quick search on Thingiverse, found a K-Cup holder that I really liked. So I sent it to the printer and did a couple sets. Did black, and I have this blue filament that seems to match my kitchen cabinets. So a few hours later, we have our pieces. And now for the assembly, we need to get our pieces off of the plate. As you can see, we got some pins there. Pieces are designed with holes and pins. Stick the pins in the slots. Goes in pretty easily. Take one of our middle sections, connect the two pieces. Goes together well. And then we'll connect the top piece for this one. It will be 3 sections. That's the top piece right there. Goes together nice and easy. And there's our section. Nice thing about this design is that you can keep adding middle pieces and make it as tall as you want it to be. But when I put it on the kitchen counter, I didn't like it. So I designed a tray to hold 3 of them, like a base tray. Just print this. Did it in 2 colors with the logo. The 3 holders fit inside the base tray and make it one nice looking unit.